Hi, I'm Don,
And I'm Gina.
and we're with Focused Healthy Family.
Do you have challenges with your kids? Struggle with behavior issues? Wanting to make things better, but not really knowing how? So is this a scenario that's happened in your house?
Give me the blue Switch remote. You used it last time and I want it now.
I did not. I got this one and now you got the green one. What's the big deal?
I want that one. I don't like the green one. You're always hogging the blue one. I want it for a change.
Oh, stop whining, you big jerk.
Ouch, that hurts.
You started it.
Mom, she's hitting me.
What's going on in here? And what do you do then? Maybe you're not in the room and you hear this fighting going on. Sometimes, I've stormed in there. What is going on? Why are you two fighting over this? Now no one can have it.
Yeah, or you go to your room, you go to your room. Time out for both of you.
Yeah,
or
think
something.
about what you've done to each other, and until you can get along, you're not going to play with the Switch at all. And what's the end result of that? Do your children learn cooperation skills and learn to share something by doing that, by yelling at them, taking things away?
Gina and I have been doing classes on the How to Talk So Kids Will Listen and Listen So Kids Will Talk book. And they're 2-hour sessions, 6 weeks in a row. And they teach the communication that parents, effective communication for parents to use with their kids. Well, we found there are some parents that find it a little difficult to take 2 hours out. They don't know what to do with the kids.
Yeah, they might be working from home, the kids are doing school from home, maybe one parent travels, and we've had a few people say, that's challenging to find a 2-hour break, especially when the children are young. So we've decided to put together a hour workshop. Figured doing it at lunchtime, 12 to 1, take an hour of your time on a Wednesday to be able to participate in this workshop, get the same information. And then we have it'll be 6 weeks for an hour, and then have flexible lab time to do more of the in-depth role play and exercises that are part of the course.
And so what we've also decided to do is to give a free class to kind of get a feel for what the workshop does. So join us for our next free intro or our next full 6-week workshop by going to focusedhealthyfamily.com/workshops or check out our event calendar. Thank you.